Hello there. Do you want to become a graphic designer in 2 weeks? If that's a yes, you can, because 26 Media is giving you an opportunity to become a graphic designer in just 2 weeks, and you get a certificate designing posters, flyers, business cards, letterheads, and many more. So what are you waiting for? Join us now and secure that bag. We have limited space available, so hurry up and enroll for only 2,600 Namibian dollars for the whole course, receiving a free design software, books, laptop mouse, notebook, and a USB flash drive upon arrival. Starting on the 3rd of February 2021, acquire this lifetime skills that pay. All you need to do is call 081 66 828 55 or visit www.26medias.com to book your space. 26 Media, a place where creativity and art meet.